Anna wakes up at 8 o'clock on a Saturday morning. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. She feels happy. She looks out of the window and sees that the weather is very nice. She decides to go to the park. First, she eats breakfast. She drinks a cup of tea and eats some toast with strawberry jam. After breakfast, she gets dressed. She wears blue jeans, a white t-shirt, and a light beige cardigan. She takes her phone, a book, and a small bag. She leaves the house and walks to the park. The park is close to her home. It takes only 10 minutes to get there by walking. As she walks, she sees many people. Some people are jogging. Some are walking their dogs. She sees a man walking slowly with his dog and says, "Good morning." The man smiles and says, "Good morning," back. She sees two children playing with a red ball. They are running and laughing. The street is quiet and clean. The fresh morning air feels nice. When Anna arrives at the park, she feels relaxed. The park is big and green. There are many tall trees and colorful flowers. The birds are singing in the trees. She hears the sound of the wind in the leaves. It is peaceful. Anna sees a wooden bench under a big tree. She walks to the bench and sits down. She takes out her book and starts to read. After reading for 10 minutes, she looks around. She sees a woman riding a bicycle, a family having a picnic, and an old man feeding the birds. A group of children is playing near the playground. They are happy and full of energy. Anna smiles. She loves to watch people enjoying the day. After some time, Anna feels thirsty. She decides to get something to drink. There is a small cafe inside the park. She walks there. The cafe is small but very nice. It has a few tables and colorful flowers outside. She stands in line and waits. When it is her turn, she says, "Hi, can I have one coffee, please?" The woman at the counter says, "Of course. One coffee. Would you like anything else?" Anna says, "No, thank you." She pays for the coffee and waits. The woman gives her the coffee and says, "Enjoy your day." Anna smiles and says, "Thank you. You too." She takes her coffee and walks back to the bench. As she sits on the bench, she sees her friend Maria walking in the park with her dog. Anna waves and says, "Hi Maria." Maria sees Anna and comes closer. "Hi Anna. What a nice surprise," she says. They sit together and talk. Anna asks, "How are you?" Maria says, "I'm good. I'm just walking my dog. He loves coming to the park." Anna pets the dog and smiles. They talk about their week, the weather, and their favorite books. After 20 minutes, Maria says, "I have to go now. See you soon." Anna says, "Okay. Have a great day." Maria waves and walks away with her dog. Anna finishes her coffee and puts her book back in her bag. She takes out her headphones and listens to some soft music. She closes her eyes and feels the warm sun on her face. The sounds of the park are calm and nice. She hears children laughing, birds singing, and leaves moving in the wind. She feels peaceful. She thinks, this is a perfect day. At 3 o'clock, Anna looks at the time on her phone. It is late afternoon now. She decides to go home. She stands up, throws her coffee cup in the trash, and starts walking back. On the way, she sees people still enjoying the park. Some are taking photos, some are reading, and some are just lying on the grass. She walks slowly and enjoys the moment. When she gets home, it is 3:30. She takes off her shoes, drinks a glass of water, and sits on the sofa. She takes out her phone and looks at the photos she took in the park. She opens her notebook and writes in her journal, "Today I went to the park. I read a book, drank coffee, and talked with Maria. The weather was sunny and the park was beautiful. I feel happy and calm. I love days like this." She closes her journal, smiles, and thinks, "Maybe I will go again next Saturday."